Check out this pre-owned 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include lighting package, chrome package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and navigation system.